I want to challenge you to take a bold step in faith today. What do you want this year, 2024, to be like for you? Are you ready to embrace the untapped potential within you in this year?
Think about your life. Don't you think you deserve a more better life than what you have currently? Are you ready to make a difference? God has deposited so much abilities within you. Therefore, you are not supposed to be struggling in life. See, life is a grand adventure, and each one of us holds the pen to our own story. It's time to ask yourself what legacy you want to leave behind. What are you supposed to have that you haven't gotten? Why are you still at the level you are now? What should you have done that you didn't do? You have to believe this. You are where you are now because of the things you did or didn't do in the past. So, if you want tomorrow to be better, you must be ready to do something differently today. It's time to wake up from your sleep. Maybe you have been procrastinating too much. Perhaps your own challenge is fear. How badly do you need a change? Your desire for a change has to be stronger than your feelings of fear. It's time to stop giving excuses. Excuses are killers of destinies. Challenges may come your way as you make up your mind to do things differently, but face them head on and overcome them. Yes, I know you can. Now, let me remind you of something. Do you know that the rhythm of your heartbeat is a constant reminder that you are alive with purpose? Every beat of your heart is a call to action, a call to make a difference in your own life and the lives of those around you. You are not a mere spectator. You are a participant in the symphony of existence. Surround yourself with those who uplift, inspire, and push you to be the best version of yourself. Reflect on your journey so far and listen to the lessons life has taught you. Failures are not stumbling blocks, but stepping stones to success. Embrace the growth that comes from setbacks, for they shape the resilient spirit within you. As you stand at the crossroads of opportunity, listen to the call of purpose. Your life has a unique melody, and the world is waiting to hear your song. The world is full of possibilities, and your story is still being written. So, my friends, I implore you, listen to the call of your destiny, and let the music of your life resound through the ages. In conclusion, the stage is set, and the spotlight is on you. Take that step today and make yourself proud. God bless you.